American Pekin ducks, also known as White Pekin ducks. The American Pekin duck is the most popular commercial duck breed in the United States. American Pekin duck are popular for producing quality meat as well as for their egg production. This duck grow very fast as compared to other meat duck breed. About 95% of all duck meat consumed in the USA is Pekin duck meat. American Pekin ducks are very hardy and strong, and they can survive well in almost every agro-climatic conditions. A safe, well-ventilated, dry and clean shelter is essential to protect ducks from predators and harsh weather. On average, a Pekin duck will require 4 to 5 square feet housing space. American Pekin ducks cannot fly, and hence, one doesn't need large fencing to keep them. For successful breeding, keep one male duck for 5 to 9 female ducks. Arranging a water source is very important for successful breeding. Ducks typically breed during the spring and early summer. The females would begin laying eggs within 6 months from birth. American Pekin ducks are good layers, and a duck will lay an average of 200 eggs per year. Eggs are typically incubated for 28 days. If ducklings are not properly cared for during the brooding stage, mortality may be high. 1 square meter area for 100 ducklings per ducklings is sufficient for brooding. Brooding period in duck is 1 day old to 4 weeks old. A temperature of 290 to 320 degrees Celsius has to be maintained during the first week. It has to be reduced by about 30 degrees Celsius per week till it reaches 240 degrees Celsius at the ends of 4th week. If the temperature is higher than the recommended level, air circulation should be increased. Feeding the ducks with very good quality and nutritious food is the most important part of American Pekin duck farming business. So, always try to feed your ducks with good quality foods. You can use ready-made duck feeds or poultry feeds for feeding your ducks. Make sure to provide access to clean, fresh water at all times. If you plan to raise ducks for meat, consider the feed conversion ratio and growth rate. The ducklings grow very fast into heavy, big adults very quickly, with full-grown feathers by 6 to 8 weeks of age. On an average, adult American Pekin ducks weight between 3.6 kilograms to 5 kilograms in captivity. It is a long life bird with a lifespan of 9 to 12 years. Ducks love water. Provide them with access to a pond, pool, or shallow water source where they can swim and clean themselves. Clean water is essential for their health.